How to pin posts to your Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll show you how you can do a similar thing to the TikTok. So in your TikTok you can pin videos, 3 videos to your profile and they will appear at the top. So this is what you can do, but this time to your Instagram. So first of all, you want to make sure that your Instagram account is fully updated, your Instagram app. So go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram and make sure you update your app. So my Instagram is not updated right now, but I still have this feature. So I will go back to my Instagram, go to your profile, then you can go to a post that you want to pin. So I will go down and I will show you that it will go up. I will go with this one, let's say. Click on those 3 dots from the right top corner, this ones. Then you have post to other apps, and then the second option, pin to your profile. Click on that and now your post has been pinned. As you can see, it's at the top right now. So this is how you can pin a post. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and comment in the comment section down below and I will make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.